Hello, today I am going to explain you a very important principle in fluid mechanics. This is called as Bernoulli's principle. So for this purpose I am going to perform a very simple demo. I have a piece of paper with me and I am going to blow air. I am going to keep this near my mouth and I am going to blow air over the piece of paper. So what do you think? What will happen when I am blowing air across this piece of paper? Will the paper remain as it is? Will it get lifted or what will happen to the paper? So let us see the demonstration now. So I am holding the piece of paper near my mouth and now you can observe. So when I am blowing air across this, you must have observed that the piece of paper gets lifted. Now why this is happening? Now according to the Bernoulli's principle, when the air is moving with higher speed, at that time it is creating a low pressure area. So on this upward top part of the piece of paper, there is a low pressure area which is created, and from the bottom, from the downward side of the paper, there is a atmospheric pressure which is acting on this. So that pressure is higher, so this will lift the piece of paper. You can try with two pieces of paper also. So I am holding them in front of each other and now I will blow air through this and you observe what happens to the piece of paper. So you must have observed that when I am blowing through the two pieces of paper, then the lower end, they come close to each other. So they get stuck with each other and they are coming near to each other. Again the same thing is there when I am blowing air through this. There is a high velocity with which I am going to blow the air and that will cause a decrease in pressure between the two strips, and from the other two sides there is a atmospheric pressure which is acting, which will try to bring the strips close to each other. So this is a very simple demonstration. You can try this particular demonstration. There are many applications of Bernoulli's principle. For example, you must have observed the perfume atomizer that is based on the Bernoulli's principle, or Bunsen burner which we use in the laboratory, that is also based on the Bernoulli's principle. Or there is some specific shape which is given to the wings of the aeroplane, that is also due to the Bernoulli's principle. So try out this simple activity at home and easily you can do this and enjoy the Bernoulli's principle.